You guys having fun? Can you share some with Abby? Abby wants some too.
No.
Yeah, you've been sharing really good. Share some with Abby. She likes it too. Hey, no being sneaky. Better give her a kiss. Oh, you're going to share? Okay, give her a kiss. That was so nice. Abby, did you say thank you? Are we making cookies? Gotta put the rest of the flour in. And you can't have a whole bottle of vanilla, sorry. Danger. Okay, can you say hi to the camera?
Hi.
Okay, now can you say bye-bye?
Bye.
Merry Christmas. Good try.